here we go. 3, 2. What's up, Purist? It's time to have a going away party for 89 number 50. She is all done and ready to go home. The owners are actually on their way as I'm doing this. The car arrived. It had been sitting for over a decade, not running. We went through a painstaking process to get this back into shape and make it a really high quality driver car. Let's just show you a highlight reel of what we've done to the car. So enjoy. Well, the goal in mind with this car was to actually just create a nice driver out of it originally, and then when I realized that the car itself had been covered in paint, I guess on all but one panel, which was the roof. The car itself was solid. There was not really a whole lot missing from it. The owners actually drove it in high school and college, so it had been a family heirloom and had been sitting for 10 years outside, not running. It's got a full 93 Cobra drivetrain in it from a car that got in an accident. That was another car owned by this family. It was a 93 Cobra, and they decided to put the drivetrain in this car because the car got totaled. The stripe kit was not a 9-stripe kit when it was delivered from Saleen. It was a 3-stripe kit, so we changed that back because we found evidence of that. You're welcome to watch other videos of this car. You'll see the cards pop up throughout this video. Click on those, you'll be able to see what we've gone through. We had issues when we tried to start it for the first time. But that's pretty much it. The car sat for a really long time, and it just needed to be fully refurbished. That's pretty much the nut and bolt of it. This car itself was just a very, very high quality driver car, and that was the goal. 89 number 50 turned out great, and this is the final send-off, so on to the next one. As I always say, whether you're driving them or storing them, always enjoy them. Peace.